It's Pete from Cheap Homesteading, and I'm sitting on my front porch, and I'm going to introduce a new series that I'm doing. Basically, it's how to make money with chickens. The problem is my chickens aren't making money, so I need to get my chickens from not making money to making money. And a lot of the problems I've been having, a lot of it's my fault. At first, I had all young chickens, and they were laying good, and I was making money. But now I've let the flock get old. Half my flock got killed off by a weasel. It's a good time to look at everything and say, you know, what do I want to happen in the chicken coop? What will I do that can actually get the chickens to make money? So I started to look at a few things, and my biggest issue is the chickens are getting older. So I got my incubator. I've got lots of chicks coming. I have another round in the incubator now. We're going to have tons of chickens by the end of the year that are young and laying, so we should get tons of eggs. The other issue is the eggs that I do have and that are laid. My nesting boxes are plywood, and sometimes they're standing up when they lay their egg, and it hits the plywood and it cracks. So I have a percentage of eggs that I can't sell because they're cracked. Inherently, when you have eggs cracking in the nesting box, then you have chickens that eat the eggs, and it kind of encourages that. So I've got cracked eggs that I can't sell. Then I have some eggs that the chickens eat. If you end up having a few eggs a day that the chickens crack or they eat, that's 2 eggs a day. If you add that up over a whole year, that's a lot of eggs that you can't sell. So we're going to try to cover that. We're going to change up the nesting boxes. Another thing is my predator problem. You know what? You can't have chickens that will lay eggs if they're dead. So we're going to try to predator proof the chicken coop. We're going to try to do something with the chicken door. I want to set up the chicken coop in such a way that's not as labor intensive as it has been, because if I decide to get any more animals, I just won't have time to do it. I want to set up the chicken coop in such a way that I only have to go in there one time a day. Right now I'm going in the morning, open the chicken door up for them, filling the water, filling the feeder if it needs it. So I do that in the morning and at night. But my goal is to get it that I only have to go in maybe at night and pick up the eggs. So that'll free up time to maybe possibly have other animals. That's the thing, you know, if you live in this world and you work and you do all kinds of other things, there's not much time. So you want to use the balance of maybe not spending too much, but in the other hand, but use the advantages of this day and age we live in, because you know what, we are working. In the past, people had more time to do these things because they didn't go away, didn't go off the homestead to work. Now we work. I really want to set up the coop in such a way that it'll be beneficial, it'll be less work, and we'll make more money in the long run with it. So this is going to be a fun series, and I just wanted to introduce it to you, and you're going to see a bunch of videos in the near future. You guys have a good one.